Hey guys, my name is Hadia and today I want to show you how to make Sabzi. It's a classic side dish to the rice, but you can actually also eat it alone by itself with some bread on the side. Today I actually just had it with some rice and some salad. I could definitely recommend you to do it like that. Now normally when you have Sabzi, you just add in some spinach, of course, that's the main thing about this dish, and then salt, pepper, oil, onion and garlic. But at my house we also add in scallions and coriander. Now the coriander is just really something for the smell because it just smells really lovely, while the scallion kind of like adds this sweet taste to the Sabzi that just wouldn't be there without it. So just try that if you haven't done it before. A little tip would be to remember to add in the salt and pepper at the very end of this dish, because as you can see a lot is happening in the pot. So if you want to control how salty it is, just put in your salt and pepper at the very end of the dish. Now it's gonna look like this before you serve it, and I just hope it really tastes good and you like it. Remember to like and subscribe and tell me what you think. See you next Tuesday. Bye!